Game reward apps usually pay based on completed tasks, offers, or in-game activity, which means the amount you earn per hour depends on the app, the available rewards, and how efficiently you complete tasks. By the end, you'll know how to compare game payout rates, what affects your actual earnings, and how to avoid wasting time on games that reward too slowly. The first thing to understand is that advertised rewards are not the same as your real hourly return. A game may show large reward amounts, but the time required to reach those rewards determines whether it is worth playing. Check the time needed to complete milestones before choosing a game. The second factor is the type of activity required. Some reward games pay through specific goals, such as reaching a level, completing challenges, or trying new games through offer platforms. Look at the requirements before starting, because some goals take much longer than others. The third factor is payout reliability. A game that tracks progress correctly and provides clear reward rules is easier to evaluate than one with unclear conditions. Read the reward terms before spending hours completing tasks. You should also consider whether the game fits your normal routine. Short sessions may work better for people who only have a few minutes available, while longer goals may suit players who can spend more time completing milestones. Choose games based on the time you are willing to invest. Another way to compare games is by looking at the payout method. Some platforms offer cash rewards, while others provide gift cards or points that need to be redeemed. Check the available redemption options before deciding if a game is worth your time. The highest paying games are usually not the ones with the biggest reward claims. They are the ones where the time required, difficulty level, and payout options match your expectations. Before installing any reward game, check reviews, read the task requirements, and understand how rewards are earned. Your next step is to track the time you spend playing, and compare it with the rewards you receive. This gives you a realistic idea of which games are actually worth continuing. If this guide helped you compare game rewards more realistically, like the video and subscribe for more reviews of earning apps, survey platforms, and reward games.